Hey guys, please support. In this video, I will show you how to edit landscape photos in Lightroom. Before we start the tutorial, I will show you some before and after photos which is created by using my preset. And please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. If you want to download this preset, the link is in the description below.
Till I get up.
So let's enjoy the music and start the editing.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading